ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಗೇರ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಸರಿ, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜೀರೋ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 ಡೌನ್, 5 ಅಲ್ಲ. What is the Pulsar type or RS then I'm out of the GoPro mic for a day. I'm using the stock mic to record this video for you. I think clearly awesome power is regular, awesome power gas. What a power gas. This can go around 100, 150 to top speed, but this bike can go around 120. You can ride this bike in the normal nicer or highway to ride this bike around 120. You can just top speed this bike there. And the initial pickup city road are up to 60 around this bike. In 60 the front stroke of this sound is very powerful gas. You will like this video gas for you. And the Vijayanagar main signal, I will take a U-turn and go to the Java showroom there. That I'm waiting at a signal. And lot of chairs happen and came here for a Let's start my
Hi guys, my name is Mahesh. I'm one of the residents of Bengaluru, and today I'm riding the Java Perak after quite a long time. Not that I've ridden enough of Javas, but earlier when it was launched I took a test ride, but this is a recent BS6 model, and I must say I absolutely love the exhaust note of it. I know it's quite a busy street, you can't hear the exhaust properly, but as a rider it's excellent. It's a single seat motorcycle. If you guys don't know about the history of Java, Please do check it out on YouTube or somewhere else. Java is really famous for its exhaust notes. Even back in the days, they used to make some amazingly sounding exhausts. That was the signature of the Java motorcycles always. That's a Porsche Cayenne. All luxury motorcycle cars parked over there. I must say the exhaust notes, it's brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Oh my god. I feel the clutch is slightly on the heavier side. Nothing to be worried about. It sounds brilliant. I don't know about the specs and all properly. I have only come to take the test ride. It was an impromptu plan. We actually came to take the test ride of the KTM motorcycles, but on the way we found this one, so here we are riding it. I feel the riding posture, it's kind of odd, but still, nonetheless, it's a very good motorcycle. Maybe I'm not used to it, so that's why I'm feeling it, maybe. But once you get used to it, trust me guys, any motorcycle can do pretty much what you ask it for. For one, this is a very low seat height motorcycle, very accessible for pretty much anybody. Not a lot of them in India are very tall. The average Indian heights, this bike is this motorcycle, it's brilliant, I must say. Extremely low seat height, the incredible presence on road, the acceleration, it's phenomenal, bro. If you start riding this, you'll ignore everything else on the road. There's nothing like this, nothing else like this on the road. Pretty much you feel like a celebrity on all together. I jumped the gear, so the motorcycle cut off its engine, so that's good. Not to rev the engine in a signal, considering the petrol prices of today. I would have preferred a much more softer ride, but this isn't what I expected for a bike of this looks and all. You'd be fooled to believe, okay, it's a very old school retro kind of looking motorcycle, it will be all plush to ride, soft and comfortable. That's where you would go wrong. This isn't like what you thought. Definitely. Fuck everything, fuck everything. This motorcycle has the best sounding exhaust, not in its just class, pretty much everywhere else. What else do you need apart from this? For one, it's a brilliant sounding exhaust. I I don't know what to say about this. I'm in love with this motorcycle. This is the first time I'm riding the BS6 Perak, and I'm absolutely sold to it. For the looks alone, the exhaust sound, it's icing on the cake. The motorcycle is a sweet sounding. It's definitely a sweet sounding motorcycle.